This is the screen protector installation video for screenprotect.co.uk. In your package you will receive one of several types of film depending on your order. We have the matte frosted film, we have the anti-blue light film, privacy. This is another style of the anti-blue. This is another style of the clear. In today's video we're going to be installing a front and rear screen protector to an iPhone 13 mini. This is the clear films we're going to be using today. First step is to remove the excess film if it's not already done so. We're just going to peel this back until we can't remove any more layers. Now here we will see there is a split in the backing film here. We'll pull off one side, the other side's already come off previously. So this is the screen protector as you will get it delivered. We're going to peel this away from the backer, and then we're going to place it and align it very carefully over the phone, which I'll just do off camera now. Okay, once you have the screen protector aligned, we're going to push down in the middle across where it says there is a starting line in the film. Next, we are going to get the squeegee. We're going to lift up half of the screen protector and push with the squeegee to the end this way. Spin it around, and we're going to do the same on this side. So we've got these backers which we can now discard. And that's the screen protector installed. All we need to do now is peel off the very top film. Now you might be able to see in the video there are some small little bubbles. We can push those out, but any bubbles will disappear over the next 24 to 48 hours. So that's the screen protector installed. We can now do the same on the back of the device. And again, we've got the film. We're going to peel off the excess. Making note to pull this one off too. Now we can peel off the screen protector. And again, we'll just line it up just off camera quickly. So there we go. So we're going to push down across the middle of the screen protector where the starting line is. We're then going to peel up one side and using the squeegee that way, and then same again on the other bit. Push the protector down, and then we can peel off the excess, leaving a nicely installed rear protector.